welcome back to English online class. I am Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Children, in the last class we learned compound words and the spelling, that is PH and GH, which is pronounced as first sound. Is it? Yes. Today let us discuss some activities from our textbook. The first one is diary entry. Then we will discuss speaking activity, life skill and project. So first let us begin with the diary entry. How many of you have diary? In my childhood also I had a diary which is bought by my father, and he gave me a pen also. I used to write this diary daily, and I drew some pictures, maybe the pictures of any flowers, any animals, or maybe some vehicles which I travelled on that day. So it was just like a friend to me. I used to talk to that diary through letters. I hope many of you are writing diary. Actually, what is the main purpose of this diary? Diary entry is a way to connect with our personal experience. It is very personal. Now, let us see an example, a model of a diary. And let us discuss what is the format of a diary, how we can write a diary. Okay? All of you take your textbook, page number 8. Writing. Why we use diary? We use a diary to write about the events that happen every day. We can write about what happened and how we felt. So why we use diary? We use diary to write about the events that happen every day. So we write everyday experience. Read this diary entry. On the top left side we have to write the date. Here we can see the date 15th March 2020. The date number, month and the year that we have to write on the top left side of the page. See the diary. I gave some sugar cane and water to Padmini today, but she did not touch them. She was too frightened. Padmini is still in a lot of pain. She does not eat or drink properly. I feel very sad for her. I want to help her. See children, this is the diary entry of Amma that we can understand through the incidents mentioned in this diary. Amma gave sugar canes. Yes, that is why the diary entry is like this. This is Amma's diary entry. She used I. I gave some sugar cane and water to Padmini today, but she did not touch them. She was too frightened. So this is the first incident happened when Amma saw Padmini. Yes, she gave some sugarcane and water at morning, but Padmini did not eat them. Then Padmini is still in a lot of pain. She does not eat or drink properly. I feel very sad for her. I want to help her. So this is what Amma feels. This is what she felt in her mind. She is very sad. So children, when you are writing a diary, you have to write what you felt happy and what makes you sad. All these things you can write in the diary. Okay. Now let us see the question. Now imagine that you are Amma. Today is 16th March 2020. Manoj has now seen Padmini. Write the diary entry in your notebook. Write about what happened and how you felt. So children, before we saw the diary on 15th March 2020. So here we have to write the diary entry of Amma on 16th March 2020. Okay, first day Amma started to give some food to Padmini. On the second day we know Manoj uncle, father and the boy came to Amma's house. So we have to write that day's diary entry. What will be the diary entry of Amma? Okay, so imagine yourselves as Amma. Here you can see an incomplete diary. Okay. So we can see the date on the top left side of the page. That is very, very important. 16th March 2020. Okay, so then they just started the diary like Manoj saw Padmini today. So these sentences are incomplete. What you have to do is we have to complete all these sentences and write a diary in your notebook. I'll show an example now on the screen. I will read this. 16th March 2020. Manoj saw Padmini today. After he saw her, Manoj took out a gun. I felt very frightened. I thought he was going to shoot Padmini. There were tears in my eyes. Then Manoj told me that he can stitch Padmini's wounds only when she is asleep. He said the gun has bullets that will make Padmini sleep for a few hours. When he said that, I felt a little silly about that. Manoj then gently stitched Padmini's wounds. He looked tired but happy. I hope she gets better soon. Children, here we saw the diary entry of Amma on 16th March 2020. So this is the format of a diary. On the top left side, we have to write the date, that is the date, month and the year. Then we start to write the diary. And you have to write what you felt on that day. Here we can see Amma says, I felt very frightened. There were tears in my eyes. And we can see, I felt a little silly. And last, I hope she gets better soon. Diary entry is something personal. Yes, that is why Amma wrote what makes her happy or what makes her sad on that particular day, 16th March 2020. Children, write this diary entry in your notebook. Notes will be attached in the Google Classroom. I hope you all understood how to write a diary. So start writing diary from today itself. Okay? Very good. Now, let us discuss the speaking activity from your textbook, page number 9.
Ma, Deepa auntie called. She said she will be late by 15 minutes. She also said her phone is not working.
Oh, is it? I will wait for her then. Thank you, Jia. Children, it's a group activity. You can do it by yourself. What you have to do is, in each box you can see dialogues. Practice it by yourself. Okay, in the first box you can see caller, speaker and message. You have to create conversations. You play each role and practice each column conversations. Okay, children, do you remember the listening task? There we saw the conversation between Ruba and Deba. Like that, we have to make the telephone conversation. Okay, you can use the tips from listening task we completed. Okay. Now let us discuss the life skills section from your textbook, page number 10. See children, life skills. What would you do in these situations? Tick the best option. Okay, see the first question. Your friend is screaming at her pet cat. What would you do? Tell her gently not to scream at the cat. Animals have feelings too. Or would you scold your friend for screaming at her cat? What would you do? What we have to do? Yes, we have to tell her gently not to scream at the cat. Animals have feelings too. See the next situation. A squirrel has come into your house. It has lost its way. It is afraid and is running about. What would you do? Open the nearest door and window to allow the squirrel to go out. Or lock yourself up in your room. Don't come out until it leaves. What we have to do? Yes, we have to open the nearest door and window to allow the squirrel to go out. In the story, we learned we should not show that we are afraid of them. When we are afraid, they might feel that we are going to harm them. So, we must be friendly towards them. We have to help them. So, we have to open the door or window to allow them to go outside. That is what we have to do. Okay, see the next situation. A tiny bird has fallen from its nest onto the road. What would you do? Gently pick it up and place it in a safe corner. Then get a grown up to check if it is hurt. Or climb the tree and put it back in the nest. What would you do? Children, take the best option. Okay? Okay, children, in your textbook, page number 11, you can see a project. Yes, it's a group work, but you can do it by yourself. For that, first, you need to list out the animal's name. Okay, first, you list out the animal's name. Then, you find out their images. You have to collect their pictures also. Okay, it can be 10 to 20 animals, it's your choice, and collect their pictures also. After that, you have to divide these animals into two groups. Okay, first you list out the names, collect the pictures of that animals, then divide these animals into two groups. Okay, the first group is the animals that can be kept as pets. For example, pet cat, pet dog. So the first group is pets. The next group is wild animals. What is wild animals? They are always lives in the forest. Okay, so these are the two groups. The first group is pets and the second group is wild animals. Arrange the animals in alphabetical order. Maybe 10 animals as pets and 10 animals as wild animals. You have to write these animals' names in alphabetical order in each group. Okay. Then, each letter can have more than one animal if needed. For example, elephant, eagle, emu. See children, if you want to write the animal starting with the letter E, there is no matter whether it is only one animal or two animal or three animal. Okay, you can write any number of animals if needed. Okay, next one. Animals include birds, insects and fish. So, animals can be the birds, insects, fish. You can include these birds, insects or fish in your list. Okay, if you don't get the picture, you can draw it also. So, do it in an A4 sheet neatly. Okay, then file it safely. Okay, that is your project. Do it by yourself within 1 week. Okay, so our activities are over. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Yes, what is the title of the lesson? Padmini. Who is Padmini? It's an elephant. It's a beautiful story, is it? We learned how to take care of animals, how we should kind towards animals. See children, when we are showing this kindness and love to these animals, other people can watch us and they will understand how we should kind towards animals. And that message will spread to everyone. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed and understood this lesson. Study well and read the textbook every day. We'll meet another day. Until then, take care. Bye.